So guys, in this video we will talk about average and average A function. You know that average is the sum of all numbers divided by their count, but the power of average A function comes when there is a text in a box. It will count this text as a zero. Let's take an example. Here I will just type equal and average, double tap average and double tap and selecting values from 1 to the 5, hitting enter. Here I have obtained the average of all these 5 values. Let's just say I will just change the Bob value to no commission. Here you can see that my average has been changed. It means that it has excluded this box because it contains text. Now if I go for the average now if I go for the average A function and hit enter, you can see that I have obtained the average of these all 5 values, which is also included the box having no condition, no commission. It has this average A function has taken this no commission box as a zero value. So coming to the basic point, that what is the benefit of average A function. Let's just say if you represent this monthly commission to your manager, he will just he will just get the value of average, which says that it has included the monthly commission of the Bob, which is zero in this case. So this is all from my side. This was the function, average function and average A function.